Hello, I'm Annie Woods, reporting from RIS Media, the leader in real estate information systems, on behalf of the Top 5 in Real Estate Network. There are a number of factors in every mortgage loan package that will determine whether or not you can afford the house you want to buy. The most important to take into consideration are interest rate, points, mortgage type, closing costs and fee, and down payment and mortgage insurance. Let's take a closer look at each of these elements. The interest rate determines the amount of your monthly payment. Keep in mind that different lenders offer different interest rates, so it is important to shop around. Generally, a short-term or adjustable rate loan will offer a lower interest rate because you agree to repay the lender more quickly or to pay fluctuating rates. Points are fees charged by the lender to originate your loan. A point equals 1% of the total mortgage amount. Lenders will charge different numbers of points for different loans, so it is important to understand how many points a lender will be charging. For example, in some cases, lenders may advertise very low interest rates, but build a higher point charge into the cost of issuing the loan, making the deal less valuable than a loan at a higher interest rate. When it comes to mortgage loans, some common options include: on a fixed-rate mortgage, the interest rate does not change for the entire life of the loan. Adjustable rates, on the other hand, are interest rates that fluctuate based on market conditions. Since no one knows how the market will behave, they are riskier than fixed-rate loans. Over the life of the mortgage, you could end up paying more or less than you would have with a fixed-rate loan. The next common type of mortgage is a balloon payment loan. A balloon payment loan allows you to make relatively small monthly payments for an initial period, but requires a lump sum payment toward the end of the term. These are risky to consider unless you are confident that you can either refinance the loan or sell the home at the end of the initial loan period. And finally, when it comes to your mortgage options, always keep in mind closing costs. Closing costs and fees are additional amounts that the buyer and seller must cover during the course of the mortgage loan transaction. They include items like credit report fees, appraisal fees, title search fees, and title insurance. When searching for the right type of mortgage for you, the amount of your down payment, the need for private mortgage insurance, and other factors such as whether you are a first-time home buyer, a teacher, or a peace officer will also affect your monthly mortgage payment. A mortgage broker can help you sift through the options to ensure you embark on the best loan course. For more real estate tips and topics, don't miss next week's installment of Top 5 This Week in Real Estate. Thanks for watching. I'm Annie Woods, reporting from RIS Media, the leader in real estate information systems.